What if the next 30 days could completely change the way your home care agency grows? What if, instead of wondering where your next private pay client is coming from, what if you had a proven system to consistently attract, connect with, and enroll ideal families? Because here's the truth. Most agency owners don't have a service problem. They have a client acquisition problem. They've built an amazing agency. They truly care about the families they serve, but they're relying on referrals that come whenever they come. And that's not a growth strategy. That's exactly why we're launching something I've never offered before: the 30-day Private Pay Client Challenge. This isn't another course where you watch videos and hope something changes. This is 30 days of implementation. Every single day, you'll receive one focused action designed to move your agency closer to signing more private pay clients. No guessing. No information overload. No wondering what to do next. Just one strategic step every day that builds momentum. By the end of the challenge, you'll have completed work that many agency owners keep putting off for months or even years. Because growth doesn't happen from consuming more information. Growth happens through consistent action. That's exactly what this challenge is designed to help you do. The first 10 days are all about building a strong foundation. Because before families choose your agency, they have to understand why you're different. We'll help you clarify your messaging, define your ideal private pay client, strengthen your brand positioning, improve your marketing assets, and create messaging that actually speaks to the families you want to serve. You'll stop sounding like every other home care agency in your market. Instead, you'll position yourself as the obvious choice, because better positioning creates better opportunities. Once your foundation is built, it's time to get visible. This phase is focused on consistent outreach. You'll learn how to create meaningful conversations with referral partners. Increase your visibility in your local community. Build relationships that lead to referrals. And confidently put your agency in front of the people who need your services. Visibility creates opportunity. The more people who know you, trust you, and understand your value, the easier client acquisition becomes. The final phase is where everything comes together. Because generating leads is only part of the equation. You also need a system for converting inquiries into paying clients. During these final 10 days, we'll focus on having better consultation conversations, handling objections with confidence, improving your closing process, creating a smoother onboarding experience, and building systems that encourage referrals even after clients enroll. Our goal isn't simply helping you get leads. Our goal is helping you build a repeatable private pay growth system. Now here's something very important. This challenge is not available inside our free community. Only members in our growth tier and VIP owner circle will have access. Growth members receive daily challenge prompts, downloadable templates, frameworks, and resources every single day. Full access to the 30-day challenge community for accountability and support. If you're inside the VIP owner circle, you'll receive everything in growth. Plus, customized AI command center outputs for your niche, exclusive VIP strategy channel, live coaching touchpoints after each phase, priority opportunity for a one-on-one strategy session at day 30. This isn't just more content, it's more support, more implementation, and more personalized guidance. The challenge officially runs July 2nd through July 31st, but there's one deadline you need to remember. You must upgrade to the growth tier or VIP owner circle by July 1st to participate. Once the challenge begins, we want every member starting together. So if you've been waiting for the right time to invest in growing your agency, this is it. Click the link below and upgrade your membership today. Choose the growth tier if you're ready to implement proven strategies with community support. Or join the VIP owner circle if you want additional coaching, personalized AI resources, and higher level strategy throughout the challenge. Imagine where your agency could be just 30 days from now. More confidence, more visibility, more conversations, more private pay clients, and a growth system you can continue using long after the challenge ends. I can't wait to work alongside you during the 30-day private pay client challenge. I'll see you inside.